Good afternoon. Whisper India has been an advocate for empowering girls, be it through the Touch the Pickle movement, where we encourage girls to bust all the age-old taboos related with menstruation, or the Own Those 5 Days campaign. Every year in India, more than 4 million girls benefit from the Whisper School Contact Puberty Education Program. Whisper is taking the commitment a step further to champion girls' confidence by kickstarting the Like a Girls movement in India. As some of you are aware, recent events have proven that the perception of the phrase like a girl is undergoing a positive change in India. It got Whisper to believe that it's time that the campaign, which was launched by Always, the global brand name for Whisper in the US and select global markets in 2014, strikes remarkable synergies in India as well. You run like a girl. You throw like a girl. You fight like a girl. You play like a girl. These are common insults heard or said, but not all of us are aware that the usage of the phrase like a girl in a derogatory fashion can actually have a significant effect on girls' self-confidence, especially during puberty. I've been told on countless occasions that girls shouldn't lift weights, lifting is for guys, baggy trousers are so guyish, or short hair makes you look tomboyish, or that riding a bike is not for girls. But guess what? I've continued to do the things that I love, like a girl, and I'm extremely proud of that. And so are two achievers who have truly been an inspiration to all the girls in our country. They have truly fought like girls. And on that note, I would like to call on stage the pride of India, Rio Olympics winner, wrestler Sakshi Malik, who has also taken the 4th spot in the largest UWW, which is the United World Wrestling Rankings. With her, we have somebody who's also known to never conform to norms and for breaking all stereotypes. She has shown people how you do things your own way, the popular youth icon and multifaceted actress Sonakshi Sinha. Please put your hands together. as Indian girls challenge this perception of the phrase like a girl every day. Be it in sports, business, arts, and so many other fields, Whisper India released a moving video to empower girls to reclaim the phrase like a girl. For those who have missed catching it, let's have the video play. This is an amazing video. I really like it. You guys, please watch it.
I would definitely want to be a part of this because it's such a great thing to give young girls, impressionable girls, that kind of confidence. You know, these girls lose their confidence at puberty because society keeps telling them that you can't do this, this is not how you should be, this is not what you should do. I think we just need to stop doing that. And I feel truly fortunate because my parents I have 2 brothers, and they raised me no different than them. And I honestly thank them so much from the bottom of my heart that I'm able to do what I want to do, to make the choices that I want to take, and do them all proudly like a girl.
Yeah, that's true. This is an amazing video. I know that it was very short, but you guys can check out the longer video if you want. It's on YouTube. It's on Whisper's official page. Please do go and check it out. Share it because it has an amazing message, and it will definitely resonate with every woman, every girl, every child, everybody that you know. It'll definitely send that message across. Also to all the men, क्योंकि जब आप ये देखते हो तभी आपको समझ आता है कि oh my goodness, that's right, हमें पता भी नहीं था, we didn't even realize that this is actually the message we're sending out without having realized what it is. So now, on this occasion, I would request Sonakshi and Sakshi to showcase pride in unveiling the Like a Girl and Proud movement that Whisper has begun. Can we get that amazing looking? Yes. So there are some survey findings that we wanted to show you guys, share with you guys, because people love numbers and statistics. 68% people like statistics, that's what I hear. Just kidding. All right, so here we have some statistics. We just want you guys to be aware of what's happening in our country with the women and children in our country. So 7 in 10 girls in India feel pressurized to conform to the way a girl is supposed to act and feel. 6 in every 10 girls in India become less involved in sports activities on reaching puberty. These are just very few statistics. This was a survey that was conducted recently by Nielsen in association with Whisper. Now, in the wake of India's success at the 2016 Olympics, it's amazing to see that the phrase "like a girl" has been completely turned around on its head and is being used in a very positive transition, and not just in our country, but world over. But clearly in India, we still have a long way to go with this. And on that note, I just want to ask a question to Sakshi based on the surveys, which is that since it does say, Sakshi, जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा भी सर्वे पर लिखा है कि 6 में से 10 लड़कियों स्पोर्ट्स खेलना बंद कर देती हैं जब वो प्यूबर्टी पर पहुंच जाती हैं, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं कि वो ऐसा क्यों करती हैं, नहीं करना चाहिए?
वो करती हैं इसलिए क्योंकि सोसाइटी बहुत टॉन्ट करती है, वरना मेरे साथ भी हुआ था लेकिन मैंने उनका नहीं सुना और कंटिन्यू किया। तो मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जो भी आप करना चाहते हो खुल के करो, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जो भी दुनिया कुछ भी बोलती है, डोंट केयर।
Awesome. And be proud to do it like a girl, you guys. Yeah. Oh, I thought I had to ask you a question also. Oh yeah. Sonakshi, ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ें हैं जो लोगों ने आपको बोला था कि you can't do this because you're a girl. ऐसा कुछ, I'm sure that in the industry, before the industry, sometime in your life, because people love expressing their opinions, ना, telling you what you can't do more than what you can do.
Honestly, अगर बोला भी होगा तो मैं ऐसी ढीठ हूँ कि मैंने सुना नहीं होगा. And which is why I'm here where I am today. And like I said before कि मैं इतनी खुशनसीब हूँ कि मेरे parents ने मुझे हमेशा support किया. उन्होंने मुझे कभी ऐसा महसूस नहीं करने दिया कि मैं अपने भाइयों से कम हूँ और ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ है जो मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So I feel it's very important. I'm sure even Sakshi's family has supported her immensely, which is why she is where she is today, and she's been able to, bring back the medal from the Olympics. So I feel एक very strong support system का होना भी ज़रूरी है. And honestly, not only families, friends, relatives, anybody who's around you in that circle, supportive होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Especially जब लड़कियाँ बड़ी हो रही हैं, when they reach that age कि वो आपकी बातें सुनना शुरू कर देती है, उन्हें understand करने लगती है. I feel it's very important to show support at that very age, जो कि a lot of us still today, ये statistics के मुताबिक we don't have. So I feel it's very important to be supportive, whoever you are, to young girls, impressionable girls, and make sure that they go ahead in life with whatever it is that they want to do.
Yeah, awesome. Okay. Now on that note, talking so much about teenage girls and all of that, I would like to call on stage a few teenage girls from the audience who are here, and I want to ask them a few questions. So can we please have them on stage with us? So I would just like to ask you guys, obviously, how it feels to be here, and also because you connect with this campaign, the Like a Girl campaign. So just share your thoughts with me. I just want to hear what you guys have to say about that. You have a mic? All right. It's on? Just check. Yeah. Awesome. Just tell me what your name is. आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Charmi Shah.
Charmi Shah.
Yeah.
All right. तो आप मुझे बताइए. Tell me.
Okay, I feel really good to be here because firstly, it's like a girl campaign, and this is the first time something like this is happening in India. So it's a really good movement because many a times, like I'm a sports player myself, and I have heard stuff like, oh, why are you playing this? This shouldn't be your career. And I'm glad that this is happening because it's like an eye-opener for so many people.
That's awesome. That's great, man. Awesome. Okay, who else do we have? Thank you so much, Arshia. Okay, what's your name?
Okay, hi, I'm Arshia.
Arshia. All right.
So firstly, I'm like very lucky to be here and witness all the experiences that Sonakshi ma'am and Sakshi ma'am have shared. And I'm really, really fortunate to be a part of this campaign. And I hope we do change the opinion soon.
Awesome.
And
That's
we will.
awesome. So
Definitely.
Sweet. Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
We will. Can you just have your mic and pass it on? All right. Aapka naam kya hai?
Apurva.
Apurva,
Hi. So I remember when I expressed, I wanted to learn to drive. I expressed my desire that I want to get my license, and I was discouraged. Your brothers will ride you around. Even my aunties were like, "No, we don't have road sense. We don't have driving sense. Why do you want to go through all that?" But today my opinion was changed after everything, the survey and listening to you two talk. And yes, I'm gonna go give that test, get my license, and not only drive but also parallel park like a pro and like a girl.
Outstanding. Good luck to you for that. And whoever told you these things, please tell them to come with me for a drive. I'll take them for a very, very long drive.
Sure, my brothers.
Basically, what's happening here is an eye-opener for every girl in this room, including me and everyone, actually everyone in India who's seeing this campaign. So, these survey statistics, actually, they remind me of the fact when even I have been told that, oh, you play like a girl, and you fight like a girl, and you hit like a girl. And because I also turned 18 recently, I've been hearing a lot of, oh, you drive like a girl also. And I did take these as insults, and I did feel low about myself. But I think after being here today, I'm going to take them as compliments because like a girl means doing it with excellence. So next time someone tells me you do this like a girl, I'll say, yeah, I do because I am a girl and I'm proud to be one.
Or you should just say, so should you?
Yeah.
Anybody else has anything to say? None? All right. Thank you, girls, so much for coming here and sharing. I mean, we're all sharing our experiences, and I wish you all the very best in whatever it is that you choose to do and wish to do in life. So all the best, and do it like a girl.
Yeah, and proud. Thank you guys so much. You can resume your seats now. Thank you. Thank you. Sweet. I like meeting these kids.
Yeah, so do I.
Is my mic on? Yes, it's on. Check. All right. Now, we'd like to take this opportunity to announce and open the Like a Girl challenge to all the girls, including all the girls on stage who are just asked to get off the stage. Let's show this world that there's nothing a girl can't do or shouldn't do. Role models like Sakshi here with us have already challenged stereotypes and gone on to win accolades in fields that girls aren't supposedly good enough for. Now, it's our turn. I was once told that girls shouldn't lift weights, shouldn't work out, because, oh my goodness, what will people say? Kya bolenge log? Kaisi dikh rahi ho? All of that. So why don't I do that right now, right here, like a girl. All right. Oh, here it is.
Awesome.
तो लोग, अगर आप लोगों को शायद समझ नहीं आया, मैं फिर से बोलती हूँ. लोग हमेशा मुझे बोलते थे कि लिफ्टिंग वेट्स, ज़्यादातर लड़कों के लिए होता है, लड़की क्यों कर रही है ये सब करके. तो मैं अभी यही करना चाहूँगी आप सबके सामने, like a girl and proud.
Woo! ये तो मुझे भी देखना है, बानी. Some of you guys here can't even do one.
तो अब सोनाक्षी आपकी बारी. ऐसा कुछ आप दिखाना चाहेंगे?
हाँ,
Like a
वैसे
girl and
तो मैं
proud?
मतलब 300-400 कर सकती हूँ, but आज नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, तो आप दिखाइए. क्या दिखाना चाहती हैं आप?
क्या साक्षी? हो जाए? Come on. साक्षी, आपने क्या कहा जब हम पंजा लड़ा रहे थे?
बहुत पावर है इनमें, सीरियसली.
So sweet. All right. So to the rest of the girls in the audience, to everyone who's watching this, who hopefully will be hearing about it, hearing about the campaign and everything, please tell us your story by posting videos, pictures on how awesome you are and how you play, fight and run, throw, dance, jump, drive and work like a girl. Please like the Whisper India social media pages and upload your posts, tagging Whisper India on Instagram and Facebook. Yes? Come. All right. Can I also please have all the girls back on stage? Kya baat hai? You guys read my mind. So thank you guys so much, and like I said,
Yes.
please do make sure you guys upload pictures and videos on Instagram and Facebook with the hashtags Like a Girl and Proud. And thanks again, big props to Whisper India for having brought this initiative to India and for actually launching it. I'm sure it's going to make a huge difference going forward. That's all that we are here to do. So thank you guys so much, Like a Girl and Proud. Thank you, Sonakshi, and thank you, Sakshi, so much for being here today with us.
Okay, on this note, now we open the stage for media Q&A. So anybody from the audience wants to ask a question?
Oh, सवाल जवाब का वक्त. Mics है ना उनके पास? Okay. I want to see some men ask us questions about Like a Girl.
सोनाक्षी जी, साक्षी जी, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज तक जो आप लोगों ने अचीवमेंट की है, आप उसको किस नज़र से, किस लेवल में देखती हैं? क्या आप एक दूसरे से कम हैं या बढ़ के हैं? ऐसा आप दोनों बताइए.
सर, हमें एक दूसरे से कम या ज़्यादा होना क्यों है? हम वो अपने फील्ड में बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, मैं अपने फील्ड में बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ, एंड यही तो बात हम कह रहे हैं कि हमें एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट पिट करने से ज़्यादा अगर आप हमें बढ़ावा दें, हमें अगर इनकरेज करें कि हम जो कर रहे हैं अच्छा कर रहे हैं और आगे और भी अच्छा बेहतर करें, तो आई फील दैट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर मैसेज दैन अरे आपको उससे अच्छा करना है या किसी और से बेहतर करना है. फील इनकरेजमेंट इन द राइट वे, इन द राइट फॉर्म इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड एज वी ऑल आर ऑफ साक्षी मलिक, जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा काम किया है हमारे देश के लिए. मैं अपने हिसाब से हिंदी फिल्मों में काम कर रही हूँ, अच्छा लगन से कर रही हूँ, मेहनत से कर रही हूँ, कि मुझे आगे और दूर तक ले जाए.
एक सेकंड, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे अभी?
बिल्कुल, कंपेयर क्यों कर रहे हो? वो अपने फील्ड में कितने अच्छे हैं और मैं मेरी फील्ड में अच्छी हूँ, तो कंपैरिजन तो बिल्कुल गलत है. सब अपनी फील्ड में अपने मन से बेस्ट.
I'm sorry, ये एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा सवाल है और बहुत ख़राब सवाल भी है, और मैं बताती हूँ क्यों. बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल इसलिए है क्योंकि ये जो कैंपेन के लिए हम सब यहाँ खड़े हैं, आप उसी कैंपेन के बहुत ही प्राइम एग्जाम्पल है कि हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए और हमें यही ऐसे सवाल पूछना छोड़ना चाहिए। क्योंकि अगर आप लड़कियों को जो एक साथ खड़ी हैं एक इतने अच्छे कॉज के लिए, इतने अच्छे कैंपेन के लिए, सारे प्रेस मीडिया के सामने, और हम बोल रहे कि हम एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, प्यार करना चाहिए और दिखाना चाहिए कि हम भी सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो फिर आप ऐसे सवाल अगर पूछेंगे हमें कि पर आप इससे ज़्यादा बेहतर हो तो हमें दिखाइए ना, इसका मतलब है ही नहीं। इस स्टेज पर, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर इस रहना ही नहीं चाहिए। आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
रहने देते वरना अंबानी के मसल्स वापस
नो
निकल
नो,
आएंगे।
आई एम फ्लेक्सिंग माई हार्ट राइट नाउ। मेरे हार्ट के मसल्स फ्लेक्स हो रहे हैं। मैं बस यही कहना चाह रही हूँ। एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ अ गुड क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज इट्स एक्चुअली अ प्राइम एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद एवरी थॉट प्रोसेस दैट वी हैव इन दिस कंट्री।
उन्होंने दे दिया आंसर। थैंक यू सर। एनीबडी एल्स?
Hello, good evening, good afternoon to all.
Good evening.
This is Raj, member of the press. I'd like to ask Sonakshi, what do you think about sporting culture in India?
What do I think about sporting culture? You're asking me or Sakshi?
Sonakshi.
Sonakshi, okay. Well, I think it's something that definitely needs a lot more attention that it is already given. I feel today up till today, I feel cricket was the only sport that was given so much importance. I feel in the recent past, a few other sports have come forward, like kabaddi, like badminton, wrestling, now because of the awareness after the Olympics and stuff. But I still feel that to reach that level, I feel all sports should be given an equal platform, just like they have cricket. And I feel in that way, we have a long way to go. But I feel that when people like Sakshi make achievements like how she has done in the Olympics, that really gives a real good push and boost to the sport in itself, not only to her as an individual, but to her entire sport. And I feel that we are going to stand up and take notice and do things about other sports as well in our country very, very soon. In fact, if we haven't already.
Ma'am, Sonakshi ma'am,
Yes.
how important was it for you to make a movie, women-centric movie, to fit in for the phrase like a girl?
Honestly, that was not my intention. When I signed the film, I did not make the movie. There were people who made the movie and who thought I would fit the character. But for me, what really caught my attention was that when he came to me and he explained to the character to me, he said that, you know what, usually we think that only girls who are tomboyish and who behave like boys can fight, and only our heroes are fighting on screen. But Murugadoss sir told me that, you know what, no, she's a girl who is proud of being a girl. She dresses like a girl. She wears accessories like a girl, she behaves like a girl, but she knows how to fight and she fights like a girl. So that is something that really, really caught my attention. And I said, you know what, other girls should watch this and be inspired. And honestly, till today, everybody who's watched the film, like I'm still receiving compliments about the action, about how families are enrolling their children, their girls, into self-defense classes, which I feel is an achievement in itself. Today, when a father comes up to me and says that I've enrolled my daughter in karate class because I saw your film, that's a fantastic thing to hear. So that was my reason behind doing the film, that she can be a girl, be proud of being a girl, but still fight like a girl.
मेरा प्रश्न साक्षी से है। साक्षी, आपके लिए कि जब आप मतलब पहले अभी आप जीत के आई हैं तो आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, और जब आप खेल रही थी तो क्या कभी आपने इस तरीके की जो आपकी विन है, मतलब कि जीत है, इसको आपने सोचा था, या फिर अभी आप कैसा महसूस करती हैं, और आगे आपकी जो लड़कियां हैं यंगस्टर, उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहती हैं?
मैंने सोचा था, मैं 12 साल से रेसलिंग कर रही हूँ और मेरा सपना था कि मैं ओलंपिक में मेडल लाऊं, लेकिन ये नहीं सोचा था कि मेडल के बाद इतना सब मिलेगा। बहुत बहुत स्पेशल फील करवा रहे हैं, इंडिया बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दे रहा है। अब अकेली गई थी, अब पूरा इंडिया जानता है, बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है मेरे लिए।
साक्षी, आपको स्पोर्ट्स के अलावा क्या फिल्में देखने का शौक़ है, और अगर है तो क्या आपने सोनाक्षी जी की अकीरा देखी है?
नहीं, क्योंकि अभी फंक्शंस में बिजी हूँ, लेकिन टाइम निकाल के मैं ज़रूर देखने जाऊँगी।
देखना और मुझे फ़ोन करके बताना कैसा लगा।
ओके, सोनाक्षी, मेरा सवाल आपसे, थोड़े दिन पहले एक फिल्म आई थी, बायोपिक प्रियंका ने की थी, मैरी कॉम के जीवन पे आधारित थी। साक्षी की जितनी जितनी मशहूर वो हुई हैं जिन्होंने भारत को गौरव दिलाया है ओलंपिक्स में, क्या आपको अगर मौका दिया जाए, गिवन अ चॉइस, यू वुड लाइक टू डू अ बायोपिक ऑन साक्षी मलिक लाइफ?
ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड लव टू। अब तो साक्षी ने भी बोल दिया कि आप बड़े पावरफुल हो, आप
स्टांस भी बहुत अच्छा कर लेते हैं।
स्टांस भी अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, देखो तो ऑलरेडी आज थोड़ी बहुत ट्रेनिंग होगी, तो अगर साक्षी पे मूवी बने तो मैं ज़रूर प्ले करना चाहूँगी उसका कैरेक्टर। यू अप्रूव? हाँ अप्रूव। चलो इनको भी मंजूर है, हो गया।
सोनाक्षी मेरा
आंटी आपको मंजूर है? चलो साक्षी की मम्मी ने भी हाँ कर दिया।
साक्षी
सोनाक्षी मेरा सवाल आपसे, आपके राइट में, आपके राइट में।
जी जी जी।
बॉलीवुड में जेंडर बायसनेस है, हम जानते हैं, फीस को लेकर के और सारी चीज़ों को लेके। उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप कैसे देखती हैं लाइक अ गर्ल? लोग अभी भी जेंडर बायसनेस है फीस को लेके बॉलीवुड में।
बट सिर्फ मेरी इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, हर इंडस्ट्री में होती है। आप या तो आपके जर्नलिज्म में हो, या तो कोई बिजनेस में हो, या तो स्पोर्ट्स में हो, अभी तक है। जो विच इज़ वाई हम आज यहाँ पर आए हैं इस कैंपेन के लिए, ये बताने कि बचपन से ही जब लड़कियाँ बड़ी होती है तो उन्हें कभी ये महसूस नहीं कराना चाहिए कि वो किसी से कम है, ताकि आगे जाकर उन्हें प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो ये जेंडर बायस की। आई थिंक इक्वालिटी इन टुडेज डे एंड एज, जेंडर इक्वालिटी इज़ ऑफ अटमोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस। और या सो आई फील क्योंकि आज औरतें एक पोजीशन में हैं, अपनी आवाज़ उठा रही हैं, आगे आ रही है, बढ़ रही हैं, नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पीकिंग बट इन डूइंग सो वेल इन द फील्ड दैट दे आर डूइंग। इसकी अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है और एक बदलाव भी आ रहा है, बट हम बहुत दूर है जब वो एक इक्वल लेवल पर आ जाए, बट कोशिश चल रही है और जारी रहेगी।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। बराबर का मैच रहता है, चाहे पैरा ओलंपिक्स हो चाहे नॉर्मल ओलंपिक्स हो। अभी मैं लेटेस्ट दीपा मलिक जी से मिली हूँ, तो उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी बताई, तो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। बल्कि मुझे उनसे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला है। और जबकि वो इंडिया के लिए सिल्वर लाए हैं और वो इस स्टेज से लाई हैं, तो बहुत मतलब बराबर का लेवल देना चाहिए। और गवर्नमेंट भी उनके लिए बहुत कर रहे हैं। अभी मैंने सुना है कि मुझसे भी ज़्यादा उनका सम्मान हो रहा है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए।
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody for coming here today, and yeah, like a girl. Woo.